You know the stage where you are done with your JAMB and you are stuck, right? No ambition, no job, no degree. But the truth is that you don't have to be broke. You understand? And that is why in this video today, I'm going to share with you how you can be able to make money. You can start making money after JAMB without a job, without a degree. And the truth of the matter is that these are not just random advice. You understand? These are practical stuffs that you can start doing right now after watching this video. And the truth of the matter is that you don't need to have an iPhone, you don't need to have a big Samsung phone, you don't even need a laptop. With just a small phone like this, your itel phone, your Infinix phone, you can start doing them and you will start making money. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Basi Ejoba. I'm a student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science. And in my channel, I help students level up the academic game. I also share full tips on the channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, so that you can help me grow. And just like I've said, I'm going to share with you how you can be able to start making money after JAMB. These are practical stuff that I did. Remember when I wrote my JAMB back then in 2020? After writing my JAMB in 2020, I had to go for, there was coronavirus. So I left my school back then before writing my work. So I went back to the village with my parents. I was there helping them with some stuff. And I got my first one in 2020. So from there, I started learning some stuff and I started offering some of these services which I'm going to reveal to you in this particular video. Although I did some online, I also did some offline. Right? So I'm going to share them with you so that you can learn them right now. And you get to find out that you start making money off them, right? The number one is that you have to learn and sell digital skills, right? You have to learn and sell digital skills. There are a lot of digital skills that are in high demand right now. I went on Facebook the other time and I saw when they say they're going to be paying someone 20,000 naira to edit just one video. And the person will be editing 2 videos weekly. That is 2 videos weekly. That's 40,000 naira. And this is not going in any way to hinder your normal stuff that you'll be doing, right? So when you learn and sell digital service, that is what is known as freelancing. You understand? So you can learn and sell these digital skills. You can learn graphic design. There are a lot of digital skills. Graphic design. There's video editing. There's social media management. And there's also graphic design. You can also use Canva, right? Canva designs. And the truth of the matter is that when it comes to these basic stuff, you can learn them in 2 weeks. You understand? You can learn them in 2 weeks. Not that you will be an expert in them, but at least you can learn the basics which you can use to start making money from them, right? Like me, when I make my YouTube videos, you don't see me have a lot of heavy editing because I am not a video editor pro, like a video editing pro, like a pro, right, when it comes to video editing. But I make sure I use the little knowledge I have of the fundamentals of the basic and see how I use it to edit my videos. And you can also do this and you put yourself out there. Those of your friends that shoot, like those girls that shoot TikTok videos and the rest, you can help them edit their videos and they will pay you, right? Even though it's small money, but they will pay you and it will be something that will be keeping you ahead instead of just depending on your parents. If you want to buy data, go and meet your mother. If you want to buy airtime, no, now you understand. So when it comes to this, after learning these basic skills which I mentioned, graphic design and the rest, you can go to platforms like Fiverr, you can go to platforms like Upwork. And the most funniest thing is that even that your WhatsApp groups, those WhatsApp groups that you are, your church WhatsApp group or the rest, even your WhatsApp status, you can start displaying your work there and you start getting clients from there. You understand? So when you learn them, you have options. Upwork is there, Fiverr is there, Facebook is there, WhatsApp is there, WhatsApp groups. Even your WhatsApp status is there. Start telling people what you do, and from there you can start getting gigs. Like I said, you don't have to be a pro, you don't have to be a professional. Sincerely, you don't have to be a professional. With just the basic one that you have learned, you can start getting work. And even you have to know that you are not a professional. So when you are charging people, you don't have to charge them like a professional. Urgent 2K is enough, right? If they use it and buy data, use it and buy airtime, at least those stuff will keep you going. Number 2 is that you can offer Instagram page management. Now, this is not just about only Instagram page management. If you are not an Instagram person like me, although I'm planning to create an Instagram account, You understand? I'm trying to say I can create an Instagram account. Let me start posting some of my content on Instagram, right? You can start offering social media page management, you understand, services, right? And these are locally, you don't have to go to internationals. You can just meet local people. People, when I say local, I'm not talking about local as per se, but I mean like local in your environment. You can go to your church, right? Go to your church, go to your uncle business place, or even the woman that sells food, some of those restaurants, you understand, and tell them that, okay, I want to create Facebook account for you, I want to create Instagram account for you, and I'll be managing it for you people. I'll be posting the things you people do, and I'll be giving you people clients, and you people will be paying me. You understand? Now this is just like local SEO. That's what we call it, local SEO. You provide a service for the locality where you find yourself. You understand? And you get to find out that you will make money from it, right? You just tell them, okay, let me handle your, for example, let me handle your Instagram account and post your videos 3 times a week, or your product 3 times a week, right? By 3 times a week, that is 3 times 3, that is 3 times that is 6, that is 9, that is 12. So by posting their videos, let's say 12 times a month, charge them 5k, charge them 10k a month. You are not depending on them for their money. It's not a do or die affair. It's something that you are just helping them to do, right? Even your church, you can go and meet them, tell them that, okay, I'm going to offer you this service. I will be videoing pastor when he's preaching. After preaching, I'm going to edit it and post, and from there I'll be generating traffic for the church and stuff like that. They should pay you 5,000 naira, 10,000 naira. Don't be afraid to charge for your service. Don't be afraid to charge for it, right? I know sometimes you'll be like, okay, you're doing it for when it comes to church, you're doing the things of God, but at least don't be afraid to charge for it. And when you're charging them, be considerate, right? Don't charge them high, just charge them big stuff. At least just let them understand why you want to charge them, so that you can use it and buy data and stuff like that, which is very, very important, right? Number 3 is you can start affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing, something that I have done, something I'm still doing, and it's something I will still do. If you get to find out, if you are my friend on Facebook, you get to find out that there was a time I started selling female wears, right? Even on WhatsApp, there was a time I started selling female wears. Now, nightgowns and the rest. I wasn't the owner of this nightgown. What I just simply do is I go to Facebook Marketplace, search for those stores. When I see it, I save them, and then I repost it as my own, right? So when people now see it, they order through me. Now when they order, if something is like 4,000 naira, right? If something is like 4,000 naira, depending on the agreement that I may have with the person that is selling it, sometimes I can also sell it 4,000 naira. Then the person is going to give me a little gain from it, like a little commission. Or sometimes what I do is, if something is 4,000 naira, I sell it 5,000 naira, I'll sell it for 5. You understand? It's not that I'm inflating the price, but it's just something that at least, you understand, you don't necessarily have to own the product when it comes to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply you promoting other people's courses, other people's products, and in turn you will get paid for a commission. You understand? So when it comes to you asking me about how you can be able to promote your product, how you can be able to promote these services, you don't need to go and start searching far and near, right? You simply can use your WhatsApp status, you have your Telegram, you can even use your small YouTube channel if you have a YouTube channel. In fact, anything that gives you access to interact with people, you can even use your Facebook, you understand, and promote this product, promote this service. It might not be easy, but at least when you continuously do it, one day you'll get a client, and that client will meet you, and you get to sell that service to that person or that product to that person, and you get to find that you make money and you gain your commission from it, right? And lastly is the number 4 is, which is the last, is you can create and sell an ebook, right? Electronic book, right? You can create and sell an electronic book with zero experience. This thing I'm telling you is a secret that a lot of people don't know, right? With the advent of AIs, especially ChatGPT, Grok AI, DeepSeek, and the rest, you can start creating ebooks, right? Based on what you want to talk about. You can create ebooks on personal development. You can create ebooks on in fact, basically anything. You can create ebooks on it. Let's say, okay, for someone like me that is talking about JAMB, I will surely I'm working on it. I'll create an ebook on how to can be able to pass JAMB and sell it for at least 1,000 naira, or sell it for like 500 naira, and you get to find out that people are going to buy it, right? So to create this ebook, you don't even need to go and search. Just go to your Google Doc and type WPS. Go there and type, and you get to find that you write this book and you sell it. Right, you write this book and you sell it. Now, for you to be able to sell it, You can sell it either directly on WhatsApp, directly on Facebook, like convert people from Facebook to WhatsApp, or you can sell it on platforms that offer these options like Seller, right? You can offer this like sell it on Seller, right? And the thing is that you don't need to crack your brain too much. Your story is enough to inspire people, and your story is enough to help you sell what you are selling, right? To put it in the face of people, and you get to find out that you will make money, right? Now the truth of the matter is that all of this starts with just one question, and that question is, what can I learn, what can I do, or what can I teach this week? And the truth of the matter is that if you are willing to put in small consistent effort, it doesn't have to be big, just small consistent effort, you find out that you will never be broke even without a degree. Take it from me, I'm telling you the truth. Now the thing is that this is your chance to start winning, this is your chance to dominate, so you better stop waiting. No more excuse about no job, no more excuse about no degree. You have your phone, you have your internet connection, you have your YouTube, you have your WhatsApp, you have your Facebook, you have your Telegram, and you have your time, which is more than enough. So basically, there's no excuse. Try them out, and you get to find out that the results will be so amazing. If you need coach, or if you need a guide on how to go about this, feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. Request for my WhatsApp number, I'll drop my WhatsApp number, and I'll coach you on how to go about this. And when you are consistent, when you put in your work, when you put in the effort, promote whatever you are doing, you get to find out that you will surely be happy that you did. If you love this video and you wish to continue getting videos like this, you wish to continue getting updates like, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also please don't forget to share this video to your friends so they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping videos like this. Drop it in the comment section which of these you are going to start right away. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.